CZAR KAISER.
For centuries, humans have considered freedom a concept worth dying for. For every rider, freedom is reflected in a journey of some kind. We have many distinct memories of being overwhelmed by the feeling of freedom that have taught us something about ourselves. Taught to value experiences and relationships over things. Travel has also exposed us to our flaws, far more than our strengths. However, from the good to the bad, we have no regrets. To travel. Adventure riding. This is what exists beyond the end of the tarmac.
CZAR KAISER.